Welcome in Design Hub. This is second video. In this video we will learn about column, tower. Tower is basically a vertical pressure vessel. Where separation of the liquid carried out, in which contain beds of packing material. These packing are used to bring the rising vapor into intimate contact with falling liquid within the tower. The liquid falling towards the bottom of the tower, at the tower bottom more heat is added to the liquid, using reboiler, which causes more vapors to rise up the column. Light component are stripped out of the liquid. The quality of the top and bottom product depend upon the height of the tower, number of the contacting device, packing type, tower temperature and pressure, their control system and velocity of the rising vapor. Now we will discuss about distillation process, the pack type and the tray type. Pack tower is pressure vessel, pack section is used to perform separation process. Such as absorption, stripping, distillation. Column basically divide in two section. First one is rectifying or enriching section. This section is above feed line. In this section, concentration of the light component increase towards the top of the tower. Light component, high volatile, are enriched in this section. Second section is stripping section. This section is below feed line. In this section, light component are stripped out of the liquid as the descent the column. In next video, we will detail discussion about packing.